My thermostat is making a buzzing noise.
For some Honeywell thermostats with a dial on them, they buzz for the first 30 seconds after they turn on.
Is that normal?
It may be the sound of it as it powers up.
This isn't an energy weapon in a video game. It shouldn't make noise like that beyond a click.
The bimetallic strip in it could be wearing out, and the mercury in it may be stuck.
Then I need a new thermostat.
The issue might be a loose connection in the thermostat too.
I'd still get a new thermostat instead of messing with the wiring.
The bimetallic strip inside the thermostat contact would be dirty.
When the flame sensor in the furnace is dirty, I either take it out to clean it or replace it.
If the thermostat has a bimetallic strip that doesn't have mercury inside it, you can do the same thing. Clean the bimetallic strip with sandpaper.
If the thermostat has mercury in it, I would replace it, and even if it doesn't, I'd rather just replace the bimetallic strip at risk of not bending as it should by getting a new one.
You're right, any thermostat with mercury would need to be updated.
I think my thermostat isn't old enough to have mercury in it. What else could be causing this?
Some thermostats buzz when the heat is turned on outside of the energy saving profile.
In that case, it would be a warning.
You may be able to turn off that feature.
I didn't think it had that feature.
Then you'll want to check the manual to see if it has that feature.
Or something else is wrong.
If the furnace or AC was not working when the thermostat was buzzing, then you know why it was buzzing.
And I'd know that the problem wasn't with the thermostat.
It could be buzzing because the battery in the thermostat is almost dead.
It is wired into the electrical system.
Then it may be buzzing because something else is malfunctioning, such as if the thermostat has a carbon monoxide detector built in.
I'd want to be more certain of what is wrong in that case.
Look to see if there's a flashing light or clear notice on the display as to what it is trying to warn you about.
If it was that obvious from looking at it, I wouldn't be asking you what was wrong.
If it is buzzing constantly, a solid-state relay or transformer could be damaged.
Then you're back to the electrical causes, and I'm back to replacing it.
Technically, that fixes any reason it is buzzing if it is linked to the thermostat.